Hello dear students, hello dear learners. So our today's topic is possessives and demonstratives. So let's start from the our grammar. So listen and repeat, then act out.
Unit 3. Possessives, Demonstratives. Page 15. Listen and repeat. Then act out.
This isn't my jumper, it's your jumper. This jumper isn't mine, it is yours. That's my jumper.
Okay, we have listened to it. So we can see that we have personal pronouns, as you can see here, personal pronouns, possessive adjectives, and possessive pronouns. So, before the verbs as a subject, we use I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. So, I, man, you, sen, he, she, it, o, we, biz, you, siz, they, onlar. After verbs, yani fiillerden sonra as objects, so me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Mənə, sənə, ona, bizə, sizə, onlara. So, then is possessive adjectives followed by nouns. Yəni özündən sonra isim tələb eləyir. For example, my book, mənim kitabım, your book, sənin kitabın, his, her, its, onların kitabı, onun kitabı, our book, bizim kitabımız, your book, sizin kitabınız, their book, onların kitabları. So, and the possessive pronouns not followed by nouns. Yəni özündən sonra isim tələb etmir. İsim olmaya da bilər. For example, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, theirs. So mine mənimki, yours səninki, his, her onunku, ours bizimki, yours sizinki, theirs onlarınki. Fill in the gaps with the correct possessive adjective. So let's look at this. So his cat is so beautiful. So the second one is you can see that we have here we. So school is in Apple Street. So we know that we need to use followed by nouns and we have we. In this case, we need to use our. Yes. So we need to use our school is in Apple Street. So, Brenda, is this your book? We see here your. So, my bedroom is upstairs. Look at her new dress. It is fantastic. So, you can take a look at the answers, and after that, we can continue. So, the second one, complete the sentences. Use a correct possessive adjective or possessive pronoun. Okay. Look at my hat. This hat is mine. Karen has got a dog. That's so. Karen is a girl, so it means that it is her dog. It is her dog. So the next one, my brothers have got vibes. So brothers, they are more than one. So the bikes are theirs. Okay. You and Robbie have got scarves. You and Robbie have got scarves. These are so you and Robbie. So it means that it is your scarves. So on the next one, Peter has got a kite. So kite is his, because Peter is a boy. So mom has got a new bag. That's mom is a girl, so it means that it is her bag. It is her bag. So next one, my friends and I have got sweets. So let's take a look. The sweets are ours because we have I here. So the last one, I have got a watch. This is my watch. This is my watch. Okay, you can also take a look at this. This is the answers. Okay, so let's take a look at the next item. So, Jane has got a laptop. It is her or his laptop. James is a boy, so in this case we need to use his laptop. The red pen is mine. Yeah. The red pen is mine. So the next one, Mrs. Smith their is their teacher. So the next one, your book. Your book is green. Kitty has got a CD. It is her CD. Now Emma is my sister. So this car is theirs. We use theirs because there is no noun. Yəni özündən sonra isim yoxdur deyənə biz their istifadə edirik. So Lisa has got a dog. It is her dog. These toys are yours. So this is our house. So you can see the answers again. Okay, let's take a look at the fourth one. The white coat is, let me do like this. Choose a correct item. So let's take a look. The white coat is mine. You can see here. So the next one, who is the him? Who is him? Oh, sorry. I just did a mistake. It is who is he? Because we ask about the person. Who is he? I can find my glasses. So let's look for them. Let's look for them. So the next one, this scarf isn't mine. It is hers. Okay. So Linda is his cousin. Linda is his cousin. So this is her bike. It is hers. This is my new dress. Look at me. Okay. So let's do it like this. Okay. So John and Liz are very rich. Their house is big. So daughter, our daughter, is a doctor. This isn't her skirt. Hers is blue. My name is Emily. I want to be your e-pal. I am 7 years old and I am from England. My parents are doctors. I have two brothers. They are students at the University of London. Sorry, but they are students in London. Have you got any brothers or sisters? In my free time, I go to the cinema with my brothers or hang out with my friends. My best friend is Selma. Her mother is from India and her father is from Germany. Please write soon and tell me about your family. I will show you also the right answers to this exercise. So, oh, sorry. So you can check it also. Right like this.
Unit 3, page 17. Listen and repeat. Jane's umbrella. The cook's hats.
Okay, we have listened to it. So we see that the possessive case with people. So we use apostrophe s with one person and we use s apostrophe with two or more people. So, but we use also apostrophe s with irregular plurals. For example, we know that the man are men or child is children in plural form. So we also use apostrophe s with the animal. For example, the dog's food. We also see that the Jane's umbrella, the cook's hats also. So note this is Jack and Mary's laptop. So the laptop belongs to both of them. But they are Jack's and Mary's laptop. So each person has his or her own laptop. Okay. So listen and repeat again.
Unit 3, page 17. Listen and repeat.
The floor of the bathroom.
Mhm. So we know that the floor of the bathroom, we use of in that case. We use of for these things. Note, we can also use of with people. She is friend of mine. He is hers or ours, yours, theirs. My friend's name is Mike. This is the cat's bowl. So, our, we know that with it is the irregular pronoun. So in this case, we need to use apostrophe s. Our children's art teacher is Mrs. Black. So look at Philippe and Lucy's new cameras. So each of them has its own new camera. So we need to use it like this. So look at the leaves of the tree, or the tree leaves of the tree, because we see that ağacın yarpaqları. So the leaves of the tree. He is a friend of hers. He is a friend of hers. So the next one, this. Wait a minute. Yeah. So this is our girls' bikes. Sorry. So this is our girls' bikes. So the last one, cousin, my cousin's car. My cousin's car is blue. So you can also look at this variant of answers too. Next one, look at the family tree below. This one, Jake and Diane. George, Teresa, Frank, Emma, Liz, Bobby, Katie, and Alan. So, then fill in the gaps in the example. So, Jake is Diana's husband. So, Jake is Diana's husband. He is her husband. Diana is, so they have two children, Teresa and Frank. Diana is Teresa's and Frank's mother. She is their mother. Liz is, so we see Liz. Liz is Bobby and Alan's sister. She is their sister. Frank, so let me do it like this. So Frank is, we see that Frank is Katie's father. He is her father. George and Teresa are Jake and Diana's. Oh, sorry. George and Teresa are Liz, Bobby's, Alan's parents. They are their parents. So you can also look at the right answers here. So we see that it's 7th exercise. These are Tony and Bill's pencils. They are their pencils. These are theirs. So this is mother's apron. This is mom's apron. It is her apron. This is hers. So the next one, uh, this is the roof of house. It is its roof. So you can also look at the right answers here. Fill in the gaps with its, it is, its, they are, or theirs. So Jane and Mary have got a house in the country. Their house is big. It has got 5 rooms. So its garden is beautiful. Paul and Liz are John and Mary's neighbors. So it is, they are their friends too. They have got a pet. It is a beautiful white cat. Its favorite food is fish. So you can also see the right answer. So next one is memory game. Look at the diagram below 2 minutes. Cover the diagram in teams. Say whose each item is. Each correct answer got a point. So you can see the diagram: hat, watch, pencil, dress, umbrella, and etc. So you can look at the example, how we can use it. Repeat. We use singular, this singular, these plural to refer to people, things near us. So you see that this bird, only bird, these birds, many birds. That bird is very far, those birds again far, but in plural.
3. Page 19. Listen and repeat.
This bird. These birds. That bird. Those birds.
The gaps with this, that, these, or those. So look at this beautiful dress. You should buy it. Hey John, who is that girl over there? Oh, that is Jane. She is my sister. Look at these dogs. Mom, can we buy one? I am not sure. Are those CDs yours? No, they aren't. They are my brother's CDs. So you can also see the right answers here. Underline the correct item. Hi Henry, can you guess who my favorite actor is? Well, he is really famous and people love watching his films. That's right, he is Johnny Depp. I know so much about him. He is American. His birthday is on June 9th. That makes him a Gemini. His eyes are brown and he has got brown hair too. My favorite Johnny Depp film is Pirates of Caribbean. I think it is one of his best roles. Who is your favorite actor? Write back soon, Judy. So you can also take a look at the right answers here. Our next one is speaking activity. In pairs, talk about your favorite pop or film star. Who is your favorite pop or film star? Where she's from? When is her birthday? And etc. So you can, for example, read an example. I like Alexander Rybak a lot. He is 23. He is from Belarus. He lives in Norway now. He is very talented. Plays the piano and the violin. He composes music and sings wonderfully. His parents are professional musicians too. So this was our last exercise. For the next one, we will have progress check 1. See you on next videos.